How to use Napkin AI for presentation. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Napkin AI to create a presentation quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, go to the Napkin AI website and log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken to main dashboard. To begin a new project, click on New. In here, you can choose if you want to draft with AI, import from file, and the blank napkin. So I will click draft with AI. And here's the fun part. You can just type your topic in plain English. But for me, I will use the examples here. That's the best practices for a hiring interview. Click continue and Napkin AI will instantly generate a structured outline or script for a presentation based on what you typed. If you want to adjust the format, you can choose from various options like slide, format, talking points, or bullet summaries. Want visuals? Napkin AI can also generate images or diagrams depending on the topic. You can customize the generated content by editing the text directly or generating certain parts. Once you're satisfied, you can export your presentation. Click on Share at the top right corner, download it, and you're done. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.